I am M.U.M. Abdul Malik, Management Consultant and Development Planner, talking to you. Topics for today's training is Boss is always right. What are the challenges of relationship building between boss and employees in a business organization? The relationship between boss and employees is always challenging. The employees should be always ready to take challenges and improve the relationship for better interest of any organization. Based on expert opinions and experiences, a few top-rated tips are mentioned here in order to face challenges and build cordial relationship between any boss and employee. Initiative to solve any problem with the boss involves risk, but if you can do it carefully and appropriately, it will increase your credibility to your boss. Provide verified and accurate information to the boss for decision making. The information provided should be timely and accurate. This helps to remain dependable and trusted to the boss. Seek honest feedback from the boss. This includes your strengths and weaknesses. This helps to build trust and cooperation. Next tip is support and facilitate boss when he is working as a change agent. This will help boss to overcome any necessary and desirable change in the organization. This will assist boss to handle any urgent work during any crisis. Next tip is praise and appreciate the boss in a right time, especially when he could do a difficult task in the organization with special effort and strategy successfully. Next tip, contest the boss against harmful and defective proposals. It can be done by providing accurate and sincere feedback politely to the boss about his harmful and defective proposal. Next tip is plan for upward coaching and counseling as necessary. Coaching is usually viewed as a privilege of the boss. Experiences indicate that upward counseling is necessary and is always appreciated by the boss in most cases, especially when the boss is new and inexperienced. There is a myth that boss is always right, but this challenge should be incorporated intelligently and judiciously for the greater interest of any organization. I think you have enjoyed this simple but heavy video. Please visit this given website link for more details about it. http://learnplanning24.com/category/business/boss in right. Boss is right. Do not forget to subscribe my channel to encourage the author. Good luck and good wishes.